Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your windows and struggling to reach every spot, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm here to introduce you to the PuRuiKai home window cleaning robot. This smart window glass vacuum cleaner is a game changer when it comes to keeping your windows spotless. It has undergone rigorous quality checks and is certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS, so you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality and safe product. The package includes the main unit, an adapter, a remote control, cleaning rings, a safety rope, cleaning cloths, and a user manual in both Russian and English. The power cord is suitable for use in Russia, so no need to worry about compatibility. Using this robot is a breeze. Just turn it on, attach the safety rope to prevent falls, and spray water on the edges of the mop during operation for even better results. And if you have any questions or need help with operating it, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We also offer a 3-year warranty on the robot, and in the unlikely event of any damage, we will provide you with free components and installation support through video tutorials. Please note that if the damage is caused by mishandling, the cost will need to be covered. To top it off, we offer fast shipping from warehouses in Russia and Spain for your convenience. So why spend your precious time and energy on manual window cleaning when you can have the PuRuiKai home window cleaning robot do it for you? Click the link in the description to purchase this game-changing product and say goodbye to the hassle of window cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more innovative home products and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.